Have you ever listened to English, understood the words, but still felt stuck when trying to speak? There's a technique that can help. It's called the shadowing method, and in this lesson, you'll learn what it is, why it works, and how to start using it today. Let's begin. The shadowing method is a language learning technique where you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say immediately, almost like you're their shadow. You're not pausing, you're not translating, you're following the speaker, second by second, word by word. It's like walking behind someone and copying their steps, but with your voice. You copy the sounds, the rhythm, the melody of the language. Many polyglots, people who speak multiple languages, use this method because it trains the brain, the ears, and the mouth, all at once. It's simple, but powerful. So why does shadowing work so well? First, it helps your pronunciation because you're copying real speech. Second, it builds your listening skills. You start to hear patterns, intonation, and stress. And third, it boosts your speaking fluency because there's no time to translate. You just listen and speak like a child learning a language for the first time. Let's go through 5 simple steps to start using the shadowing method. Step 1. Choose a short audio. 1 to 3 minutes is perfect. It could be a YouTube video, a podcast clip, or a short story. Step 2. Put on headphones, press play, and try to speak at the same time as the speaker. Don't wait. Don't pause. Even if you miss a word, just keep going. Step 3. Focus on rhythm, not perfection. Try to match the stress and tone. Step 4. Repeat the same audio several times. Each time it will feel easier. You'll notice new sounds and patterns. Step 5. If you can, record yourself. Then listen. Compare your voice to the original. That's when real progress begins. Bonus tip. Try shadowing while walking. It helps you stay relaxed and focused, and it can make the process more fun. What kind of audio should you use? You can shadow with English audiobooks, simple YouTube stories, or even short scenes from movies. Start with slow English content like graded readers or English learning channels. The key is don't choose fast native shows. Choose clear and slow speech first. That way, your brain can follow the rhythm without stress. Now, some common mistakes to avoid. Don't choose content that's too hard. Start with something simple and clear. Don't stop every time you miss something. Shadowing is about flow, not understanding every word. Don't speak like a robot. Instead, copy the emotion and natural tone of the speaker. Remember, you're not just learning words. You're learning the sound of English. Shadowing might feel strange at first. That's okay. With just 10 minutes a day, you can train your brain, improve your pronunciation, and become a more confident speaker. Give it a try and see how your English begins to change.